I'm going to show you how to assemble this punching bag with the help of my son. Okay. You will place the parang yung mga suction cup sa ilalim ng stand ng punching bag para once na itinayo mo siya, magiging parang suction siya. Yan. You can also ask the help of your son to do the thing para maging secured lang siya sa mga smooth areas or ididiin mo lang siya na ganun. Tapos and then you twist it to twist. Very easy to assemble. Bali, use a 14 millimeter power tool or wrench to secure the bolts of the punching bag. Yeah. The suction cup will help it make it stable ba? Try mo anak, tulak mo yung ano, ito. See? Okay na yan. Of course, optional naman. Optional kung you place water or sand inside the base of the punching bag.